feet with her floppy ears and her wiggly nose. Jump, jump, jump goes the bouncy frog from the lily pad and into the pie. Flop, flop, flop goes the bird in the sky with colorful feathers as she flies high. Moo, 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 says the cow on the farm. She gives us milk warm and calm. Clip, clop, clip goes the horse in the lane. She runs through the field again and again. Let's meet the animals now. They're done with the roar, a creak, a moo, and a neigh.
You can create these kind of songs for kids' videos. It is very simple and easy. Without wasting our time, let's dive into it. First part, go to the ChatGPT for song lyrics generation. You can go to Pinterest to find the song's idea. Let's ask it to generate a kid's animal song. Besides, also ask it to generate scene prompt for each verse. It will create your song. You can take the whole song, or you can take some part of it which you think will match better. Once you have selected your song, then copy it and paste it somewhere in your PC. Let me paste it on Google Docs. Second part, we have to generate the images. This time we are going to use FreePic feature that is free for image generation. Once you get yourself signed in, you will have 20 credits per day for one account. For more image generation, you know what to do. But you have option for ideogram that we have used in the previous video. Click on Start Creating and AI Image Generation. Go to the Create section. So, copy your prompt for scene generation, paste it here. You can also add image for reference to tell it what kind of result you want it to generate. It has 3 mode, Mystic for high resolution, but it's in premium version. Second is Flux, in which Flux 1.0 fast, which is really fast for image generation. Third is Classic, which is for indefinite variations in free version. This time we are going to select Flux 1.0 fast. There are styles and effects, you can also play with them. Some of them are in free version, but for most of them you will need to buy their subscription. You can select the numbers for image generation. It will cost 1 credit per image, so it's up to you. Finally, select your desired ratio and hit generate. You see how fast it is. It has created the high resolution images, that's why it's showing image explicit. Don't worry, we change the number of images and try other prompt. This is working perfect. Once you have chosen your image, then just click on the download icon. You can download all the images if it fits for your project to make your scene long enough. Generate all the images in the same way. Third part, we have to convert these images in video format. In market there are a lot of sites you can use, but we want the free things, so we go to the site named hyper.ai. Get yourself signed up. In free version you will have 100 credits per account for once, which I think is not good thing for us. So you can also check it by yourself and try it. We will select image to video, upload your image and paste the same prompt which you used for image. Can change the time from 4 seconds to 6 seconds, but it will cost you 10 credits more. And hit on generate. In 1 to 2 minutes your video will be ready. Results are pretty much amazing. Not bad. Generate all the other videos in the same way. Fourth part, for song generation we have most popular site that is suno.ai, but there is another site named udio.com, you can also give it a try. Go to the suno.ai and get yourself signed up. Click on Create. Click on Custom as it gives you power to handle it on your way. Copy your lyrics and paste here. You can choose or write your style of music of your taste. Just give it a random or your project name. And hit Create. In free version you will have 50 credits per day, can create 10 songs which is enough. Once your song is created, you can listen it, if you don't like the song, and want more better, then can change the style and create again. Once you are done then just download your song. Final part that is to use video editor to combine all parts into one video. You can use CapCut and make a nice video. That's all for today. If you liked our content, do tell us your thoughts in comments section. Have a good learning day.